Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model 3 window switch. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a plastic pry tool to carefully remove trim pieces without causing any damage. A T20 Torx driver is also necessary for unscrewing components. Most importantly, have your new replacement window switch ready to go. Having these items prepared makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's remove the old switch. Begin by carefully inserting your plastic pry tool under the edge of the window switch panel. Gently lift and work your way around until the panel loosens. Once it's free, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it away. Finally, use your T20 Torx driver to remove the two screws holding the switch module in place, then lift out the old switch. With the old switch out, installing the new one is straightforward. First, position the new window switch module into its housing, ensuring it sits flush. Use your T20 Torx driver to fasten the two screws, securing it firmly. Next, reattach the electrical connector to the new switch until you hear a click, confirming it's properly seated. Finally, align the switch panel and gently press it down until it snaps securely back into place. After installation, it's crucial to test everything. Turn on your Tesla and check all window functions. Make sure each window moves up and down smoothly and that the auto up and down features engage properly. If everything works as expected, you've successfully replaced your window switch. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.